Hey guys, welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to view your activities on Gemini AI. Now let's begin. Initially go to gemini.google.com and sign up if you already have not. I've already signed in and this is the homepage of Gemini. So moving on to the main topic. On the nav bar on the left side of the screen, you will find something like Settings, Activity and Help. These are the main three options we will revolve around. For now, we only are focusing on the activity, so let's click on this activity button. It will redirect us to this new page called Your Gemini Apps Activity. If we scroll down, it will show all the activities you did today or any other day in this Gemini AI. Well, these are some of the activities I did today. You can also look at each of these details. You simply have to click on it. And that's it guys, that's how you access your Gemini AI activity. And in case you want to delete these activities, if you scroll up, there's something like a delete button. You can simply click on it and choose the time range from which you want to delete your activity. That's it for the video guys. Hope you found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.